Ever wondered exactly when you hit that follow button on your favorite influencer, or even that slightly embarrassing account from your past? Well, Instagram has tucked away a little feature that lets you do just that. Let's dive into how to find out the exact date you started following someone. First, go to the Instagram profile of the person you're curious about. It's the profile of the person you would like to know the start date. Next, tap the following button. This will open a menu of options related to your connection with that user. In that menu, look carefully. Below the options like see first and mute, you should see the exact date you started following that account. It's usually displayed in a simple format like followed since date. And there you have it, a simple, yet satisfying way to track your Instagram follower history. Now you can pinpoint exactly when those social media connections began. So go ahead, explore your following list and unlock those social media memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.